Here at Mahiga Creekside Park, so this is a project that we did in collaboration with the Cebu City government, particularly with the Office of the Mayor, CCDRMO, and Parks and Playgrounds, as well as the City Agriculture Department and CCENRO. So this was done way back in May 4, 2022. For the reopening of Mahiga Creekside Park, and we reached out to the mayor and we were allowed to plant here on May 4 with several native species of trees. So we have here the pangantuon. This tree is utilized for making air fresheners. The essential oil coming from the fruits and the leaves are the ones that's used, and the wood is excellent for what do you call this, wood crafting. And we have here balay lamok or salimbubog. It's also called sacred garlic pear. So it's utilized as a fruit in South Africa, being farmed there. Consequently, this is a native to South Asia, East Asia, and Southeast Asia. So it's a native tree, very beautiful flowering tree. And we have here bani. The seeds contain pongam oil, and it can be utilized as biofuel. And there are also uses for this in traditional medicine. The seeds are edible. So these are bani, a beach and coastal species. We have here talisay, excellent for shade, sometimes called Philippine almond. Another bani. We have here the critically endangered mabolo or kamagong. The fruits are edible, excellent for slope stabilization, erosion control, excellent root structure. Branches out, the roots of the tree of kamagong branches out like an inverted talisay tree, so it goes like na siya layer ba. So this is bitaog palomaria. Call this, forgot the English name, that contains the word laurel. And then this is also bitaog palomaria, excellent. This is a beach and coastal species, excellent for windbreakers and coastal prevention of coastal erosion. We have here dao, excellent buttresses, can be utilized for erosion control and riverbank stabilization. So this is also called Pacific walnut. The fruits are the seeds are edible. Another talisay and another bani. This is a 3-year-old bani. Tangisang bayawak, food for the bats and birds, and excellent for water retention, riverbank stability, and slope stability, erosion control. That one is not a native. I thought this was bitaog, but this is lumboy bani. We have here Nara, the national tree, approximately 4 years old. Another bitaog, a bitaog. So we have here a Nara and then another dao, Pacific walnut, Dracontomelon idule, a bani, a 3-year-old bani. That's they were like a foot tall when they were planted last year, and now it's approximately over 3 feet here. This one, another palomaria bitaog. Come here every now and then to water these, especially now it's El Nino or the dry season. So when these grow up, they could absorb approximately 48 pounds of carbon in a year. So hopefully these will survive until the next rainy season. And this is a flowering beauty, Palomaria. Tagpo, food for the birds. A small tree or a shrub. Ardisia squalamosa. Or here another bunny. Banabas, Lagerstromia speciosa. It has beautiful lavender flowers. They say this is fire resistant and it's a fast grower. These were planted a year ago and they were just about a foot tall. Now taller than me. This used to be taller than me, so this was a result of the grass cutter injury. So it made the trunk weak. When it rained, the crown was heavy, so it broke. Bugnay Antidisma bunyos, a fruiting tree, bears berries that are very delicious and nutritious. It's a bird magnet. Another bunny here, and another mabolo. We planted 4 and we now have 2 left. Fruits taste like banana, and haven't tasted it though. So I need to. I should. Dao. And this is lamyo or awihao. Sometimes it's called santolon. The fruits are edible. The pulp is kind of it tastes like santol, and the fruits or the seed is edible. It's also named Pacific walnut along with dao, Dracontomelon idule, and this is Dracontomelon dao. We have here taloto, a fast growing tree. Katala abu or abukay or the Philippine kokatu loves the fruits or the seeds of these trees. Bani and another bani, and talisay. We have here toog. This is one of the tallest trees in the Philippines. Another bani here. Bani. Buholano banilad, seeds are edible. Kalumpang and another Buholano banilad. We have here agutot. It's also called balo in Tagalog. Cordyceps cordata. And this is a flowering tree. Has beautiful orange flowers. And this is a beach and coastal species. We have a centennial tree in a centenarian in the post office near Plaza Independent in Fort San Pedro and Plaza Independencia. So this is planty and agutot. My daughter named it planty, and she agreed to have planty outplanted here in Mahiga Creekside Park, and I bet she'll be happy to see planty doing well. Another agutot over there, one bani. 2 Insia Buhigas, ipil or Molokan ironwood, and they also are beautiful when they flower. Blue and violet, or blue and purple, green and purple rather. Balay lamok, salimbubog, balay lamok. We have here a taloto. We have here malabulak or native duldul, bombaxieba. So it has beautiful red flowers. We should plant more of these instead of fire tree, Dilonex rehea, which is native to Madagascar. This one's native to the Philippines. And yes, this is also there's a huge centenarian malabulak in Tigbawan, Iloilo, and a bramini or an osprey. There are birds of prey that's nesting on it, and it's currently fruiting over there. And this one's lumboy sa unggoy, duhat matsing, and bird magnet. Fruits are edible as well. And the seeds of the malabulak is edible. It can be roasted. And the young pods are also edible. The flowers are also edible. So this could be a lot of these planted here have edible fruits. So this can be used for in times of this can be a learning lab for a lot of people. And hopefully we could showcase these native trees to the public so that they would be aware about their existence and their beauty. And again, this could also this can become an urban biodiversity sanctuary, carbon sequester zone, and things like that in terms of climate change adaptation as well. So we hope to influence other people in other towns once this become grown. So hopefully this park can be emulated by others. And that's it for now. Have a great day.